Okay, so my boss just told me he got a call that someone found a thing, a truck, a Ford that was wanted. Well, they said it was a Ford. They wasn't sure it was a Ford, but they said it was a Ford. Oh shoot, gotta gear up my stuff. Okay, go ahead and. He gave me the GPS to it, so we do not. God, I almost became wanted. Oh, wow, that was really close, actually. He said it was somewhere around here, and I guess it was really somewhere around here. I'm guessing it looks like it might start, but we'll see. Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. My brand new $100 clothes are brand new, and they're ruined because someone doesn't know how to drive whenever they're wanted. While the tires are definitely muddy, those are in really good shape actually. Does it start the old one? But yeah, actually find the new. Does it start the keys were just in it. That's crazy. That actually starts. I can't get up. And it's off again. Okay. Well, looks like I'm going to have to maybe. Oh, wait, it's back on. I can turn it back on. I turned it back on. This is definitely going to need a lot of work. A lot of work. Okay, let's go to it. Oh, good. Going backwards. I've got to put it in park. Oh, okay, we got it on. Oh my god. Okay, this isn't a bad truck. He did say if I can get it all cleaned up and stuff, I can keep it. So, I mean, I have really high hopes for that. Because this truck looks in pretty good shape. The headlights are fine. The bed is fine. The interior looks like brand new. So I think it will be fun. I just see a couple cobwebs in the comment and a couple of the glass is broken, but except for that, I think it's okay. Let's go ahead and get this to the station. Oh. Go ahead and turn into here. Oh, I almost went in that ditch. That would have been bad. I might be. Can I reach your garage? Oh, I can. Okay. Put this in. I just heard up that so I'll just do it right there, and then I'm gonna start working on it, and y'all will see me work on it. I think a good blue would look good on this. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the rust off, and I'll see you whenever I do. We got the rust off. We just had to do a bunch of work to it though. That took such fun. It is still a little bit muddy, but we're going to fix that. Should I raise the suspension? No, I'm gonna make it faster though. I'm gonna make it faster. I mean, might as well higher than it, right? You know? And then I guess that blue. I'm thinking more of that type of blue. So let's go into primary again. Wait, what we made? Oh shoot, I didn't mean to do that. That was right there. And then we make the middle white. Okay, yep, that's it. I'm gonna go get it cleaned off and I'll see you whenever it's done. Okay, we're back and this is how it looks now. Should we go test it out? Let's go test it out. So, my boss gave me permission because he loves like his four-wheeler and his ATV. So, he made me build this. Or else I was fired, so I had to because I love my job. It's a little bumpy though, but it has some jumps to it. So this can climb though. It can climb. Oh, I ruined my front bumper. Oh no, am I stuck? Oh no, this floor never gets stuck. Oh yeah, I finally realized it is a floor. Oh my god, backflip. I'm just probably gonna be yapping now about this truck. So, let's go up this way now. And now up this. Okay, let's go back down. Oof. Should we go to this? Whee! Right back out. Nope. Let's try to do this. Let's try. Yeah, I also built this little like non-really like cool path. I wanted to put like a cave like this and make it like go like underground into like some like muddy area, but he didn't let me. Oh man, I got it muddy again. Dang it. Oh no, it's real muddy. Let's go up this one more time. Woohoo! Oh no. Okay, and this is gonna be the end of the video. Whenever I get back. Oh wow, I got it real muddy now. Let's go fix it up. Oh wow, this is a really dirty car now. Holy cow. Okay, let me go clean it up. I'm just gonna go to the car washes at this point. I'm breaking so many laws I might get fired. Boom, clean again. Okay, and that's gonna be the end of the video. And thank you all for 55 subscribers, maybe 56. I don't know. And also thank you so much for 4,000 views on my other video. And again, see ya and have a great day or night or afternoon. See ya and bye-bye.